Hello everyone, today I just received the Berg Backpack from Bags. They said it's a anti-theft backpack, anti-cut and waterproof. So let's check it. It's written kosher design, the best anti-theft backpack. As they said, kosher design and Bags both are same. If you visit kosher design, it will open the same website. So here it is. So here it is, the Berg Backpack. Yeah, it's anti-theft backpack, no pockets on the front, zipper located on your back. It's their website and the best anti-theft backpack. So let's check it. Is it best or not? So the chain, the pocket. Okay, it's actually hidden. Yeah, so it's from inside. I'm just trying to open it. And here it is. Okay, there's a okay, no problem. Here's a pocket. It's from here and there. Okay, I'm just going to put it there. It's a pencil or pen pocket. There for a, if you have a DSLR, then you can keep your lens here. And okay, here there also a pocket. Nothing else. Okay, so there are also a small pocket. If you have any tiny items, you can keep it there. Maybe it will work for your card, for your passport, for your mobile charging, for the charging items actually, maybe, yeah. And that part is for the laptop. Okay, it's strong enough, I think, yeah. And this is for your books or diary, maybe. And you can keep your clothes there too. Okay, it's locked. Okay. Okay, there are also a pocket for your important items. If you think that items needed, you can keep it there. Okay, that's all. So let's check it. I'm going to put my laptop there. Okay, done. Okay, and yeah, so I'm going to cover up the chain. Okay. So if you take it like this way, the chains is not showing. Okay. They also said it's a anti-cut. So I have a knife. So let's check it. So far it's hard enough. Yeah. But yeah, it's working. It's really anti-cut. Okay. They also said it's a waterproof. my laptop inside there, so I'm going to try with a glass of water. So let's check it. Yeah, true. Interesting. I'm just playing with the water. Yeah. Okay, so thanks. So let's check my laptop from the inside, so I will understand the water going there or not. It's my hand actually, it's wet. Okay, it's not wet from the inside. It's great. So that's all for today. I'm very happy with the anti-theft backpack which I got from Bags, and whatever the cost it is, Bags. So, oh, nice. I found another small pocket. Maybe it's for coin. Yeah, interesting. Okay, thank you Bags. I'm very much happy with the backpack. Thanks a lot again, and that's all for today.